Hi there. In last week's video, my uncle and I took an ATV out into the Sonoran Desert in search of giant saguaros to shoot on film. This week, I decided to trade out the desert for a more urban location to take film photos, the London Bridge. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you can hear me okay because there's a bird behind me kind of making a whole bunch of noise. Today we're going to be doing some street photography, or attempting to, on film, and we're taking some pictures here at the London Bridge. And if you look around, you might think it's a little bit hot and a little bit tropical looking for this to actually be the London Bridge. And that's because this is the London Bridge from the 1830s that was actually purchased and brought to America and now resides in the city of Lake Havasu City, which is in Arizona. So now this London Bridge, this little piece of England that we've got here in Arizona, is a pretty big tourist attraction for people that come to Lake Havasu City. And it's really cool because it's on this channel that they built for the bridge, and it's really, really cool. It's got a lot of shops and a lot of restaurants and stuff like that. So hopefully there will be a lot of people to kind of go out and take pictures of, and we'll see what we can get. Hopefully we get some good stuff. Today I'll be using the same camera that I usually use when I'm doing film photography, and that's the Canon P. I'm probably going to be sticking with the 35mm lens. This is the Jupiter 12 that I bought for my camera. I might also switch to the 90mm Leica lens that I have. But we'll see. I'm probably going to be sticking with the 35 most of the time, and I'm going to be having the GoPro on for most of this, so it'll be a POV video. So, without further ado, let's get started, and I'll show you kind of around the London Bridge at Lake Havasu, and we'll take some pictures. I know I said I would be mostly using the 35, but the first shot of the day was taken on the 90mm. I saw a little boat under the bridge, which I thought would look cool with a longer lens. I thought this next shot was pretty cool because there was a little group boat tour that was going on. After this shot, I hurried down the channel to get a better angle of the group of boats with the bridge in the background. I think it turned out pretty well. I started the morning with about half a roll of Ultramax 400. I also forgot the rest of the film in the car, so I had to go back to get it. I stopped here because I noticed an empty beach chair that I thought would look cool. This picture didn't turn out as well as I thought though. Maybe it would have been better with the 90mm. This shot of the docked boats turned out really well, but I wanted to do something a little bit more creative while I was on top of the bridge. Now this is the type of photo I was after. As the day went on and the temperature rose, more and more people started bringing out their boats, and the activity on the channel increased dramatically. I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to take some more photos and capture some of those day at the lake vibes. was loading up more film, I could feel this guy staring at me, but I didn't pay him any mind at first. Once again, I found myself next to this guy on the sidewalk. I noticed he was throwing a drumstick around, which was pretty interesting. So I caught up with him and asked him if he wanted a photo.
I'm fucking love with it, man. Let's, I'll have you stand, like, right out here a little bit. This is a film camera now, so it's gonna take me a second to get the exposure right and everything, so. It doesn't even have a light meter on it, so I have to do meter on my phone.
Man, I'm all yours.
I can do a little shallower than that. Let's do 9.5. Alright, cool, we're ready to go. 1, 2, 3. Got you, bro.
Thanks, love.
I really like this picture. He told me that he makes music and how he's been traveling and living in his car. I think this photo captures his story well with the harmonica around his neck and the drumsticks in his hands.
Thanks, love.
Hey, nice to meet you, bro.
Time to switch back to the 90mm because I saw a guy sitting on a bench with really cool leading lines. After this shot, I decided to head back to the bridge to finish off the day. Once I got back to the bridge, I noticed a lady giving a sort of strange public speech. Kind of weird, but it made for good photos. Well, that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour of the London Bridge in Lake Havasu City. Stay tuned for more videos about this road trip, and subscribe for tons of photography and filmmaking related content. Bye now.